Forgotten username recovery failed on Scalable Capital Fix. If you've forgotten your Scalable Capital username, most people get this wrong. They start guessing, which rarely works. Here's the correct approach that saves time and frustration. Step 1. Visit the Scalable Capital login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. The system will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification information, such as your full name, recent deposits, or investment portfolio details. Scalable Capital Support can confirm your identity and guide you through a manual recovery process. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and promotions. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid submitting multiple recovery requests at once, which can cause delays. Step 4. If the automated recovery doesn't work, contact Scalable Capital Support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the recovery failed. Their team will help you regain access securely. Once your username is recovered, update your account security. Enable two-factor authentication and consider storing your credentials in a secure password manager to prevent future access issues. By following these steps, you can regain access to Scalable Capital quickly and continue managing your investments confidently. Forgetting a username is frustrating, but it's completely fixable.